Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly and I am so glad you're here today. Little old-fashioned FabFitFun unboxing. This is a subscription service, comes out quarterly. I think if you prepay for it for the year, you save maybe 20 bucks. Otherwise, it's roughly $49 per quarter. They're usually seasonal. And when you purchase, when you're subscribed to it, you also get the ability to do add-ons. Sometimes they have like a shop. This tends to be a little bit more lifestyle to me than say BoxyCharm, which are the only two subscription services. Well, we get BarkBox for the dogs. I have 2 huskies, if you didn't know. This is really one of the only subscriptions. I used to get a lot more subscriptions, and then I just am overrun with stuff, and I don't need any more stuff. Let me kind of go into it. You always get this little, so this is winter 2021. You get a little magazine with some information on it. There's always articles. There's some information about what's in your winter box. I haven't gone through it yet, so let's take a look here. Pass this along to a friend who will love FabFitFun. If you want a code for FabFitFun, DM me over on Instagram and I'll give you my code. I don't know how many of these you can use, but it's for $15 off your first FabFitFun box. I'm happy to give that to you because I never give these away. I don't get anything in return. It's not like you're helping me at all, so don't do it just for me. HelloFresh, Nourish, looks like some vitamin coupons, HBO Max coupons, all this propaganda. Bright Sellers, Discover Wine, something more propaganda in here. Hey, let's get into the box. I think FabFitFun changed their platform in 2021 where I think you pick the majority of stuff. Like you get to choose a lot more things. They give you, choice 1 through 6, and then, and I don't remember what everything is, but then you can do extra add-ons if you want to. I think all of this, I don't think I did any add-ons in this one. The first thing in here is from Billion Dollar Brows. It says Pro Brush Essentials Kit. And I gotta be honest, I just today ordered a bunch of brushes from BH Cosmetics because their brushes are so good. This is a cute little set. Shoot, maybe I need to use this for travel, huh? So it looks like I have on in here, it just says Billion Dollar Brushes. Okay, so I've got a powder brush. It's in its protective little sleeve. I've got a contour brush. They're calling this a foundation brush. I probably wouldn't use this for foundation. Maybe not foundation. I might use it for like concealer under my eyes or maybe even a highlighter. Not both of them. And then I have 3 other little brushes. I think for a simple work look, 3 brushes can get me enough brushes. Okay, I'm not upset by that. I almost wish this had a little pouch. I think I've got another one. I'm gonna have to put this in the pouch, I think. I might use these to travel with. Maybe I'll use this on my next trip. I do travel for work. I've been starting to do some more vlogging, so stay tuned. There is a travel playlist, so if that's all you're interested in, go ahead and hit that. This is going to fall into the subscriptions playlist. I do have a Get Ready With Me playlist as well. I have a dupe playlist, so I've got a few different ones. If one of the topics interests you more than the other, then feel free to follow that one and ignore the rest of it. There's also a Michael Kors beanie in here. I don't know that I'm really wearing beanie clothes today, but let's take a look at this. A little silicone pack. So it has a price tag on it. It says it's $48. So it's a Michael Kors. I actually do have a Michael Kors bag my husband bought me. And it's got the little Michael Kors emblem on it. Let's see here. Can I wear it over my, I don't know that I'm a really beanie wearer kind of person. I feel like I got my ponytail up there too. Should we leave this on for the rest of the video? No, I don't think so. You know what? If you need a beanie, okay, so there's a beanie in here. Brushes I will use. Beanie, jury's out. Maybe if I'm gonna be out in the weather. I also picked up this, and the box is a little smashed right now, but this is a Vadam India recovery sampler. It's a box of different teas. There's India's original chai, sweet cinnamon chai, turmeric ginger herbal tea, vanilla spice chai tea, and turmeric spiced herbal tea. Kind of variations on a theme here. My son has really gotten into teas. Like he'll almost take tea to school every day as opposed to coffee, which is strange because he also works at a coffee place. I thought this might actually be kind of fun for him for Christmas. I don't really need the tea myself. I do drink tea. I'm one of those rare people that drink tea and coffee. This box is just munched. So I do drink tea and coffee, but I thought this might be a good little gift for him. So when I selected it, I'm like, okay, that'll go to my son for Christmas. And then I picked up another one of these fluffy, furry friendly, fresh faux, unhide for the love, not fur. It's like a faux fur blanket. I actually have one of these on my bed right now. If I swung my camera around, you'd see Zeus actually sprawled out on my bed on top of one of these. This is in gray. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to give this to a family member for holiday or if I'm going to end up keeping it for myself. But it's like a faux fur blanket on one side, and then it's almost like a velvet on the other. These are great. They're the perfect like throw size blankets. I want to think that they normally run, say, like 50 bucks maybe. I'm not really sure. Okay, and then they also sent me this Briochio Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Leave-In Defining Cream. When I'm doing a curly hair day, if I start to feel a little frizzy, I might use this just to kind of touch up the ends so they don't kind of break apart. However, there is the Curl Charisma, the Curl Custard. I have been really, really enjoying that. Talk about really defining my curls and giving them structure as opposed to just kind of a frizzy mess. So the Briochio line, I'm actually really liking. I haven't found exactly the right shampoo and conditioner combination that I'm in love with. I've tried a couple different ones, and I've been getting like the travel size, so you can get like a week's worth of use. And I say a week's worth if you were to shampoo every day. I don't. I'm kind of a 2, maybe 3 times a week is sort of, you know, my regular cleansing routine. I've tried a couple different of the shampoos and conditioners, haven't found the right one yet, but I think this is a really good product, so I'm thrilled to have that. And then the last thing in here, other than a sheet of stickers, more propaganda. It's like a sheet of little stickers. Maybe these can go. I don't even know what I would put these on. I'm just not really a sticker kind of person. This is one more thing that I chose. This is from Short Stories. I've got a couple things from them in previous boxes, and they're a housewares line, kind of like with the blanket. Not really beauty. I thought this was actually really cute. They're a set of nesting bowls, and my daughter really has this sort of black and cream or black and white and gray kind of aesthetic going on with pops of green from plants. This actually is a really, really cute nesting bowl set. I'm half tempted to give this to her. I haven't decided yet. I give her so much stuff. I really like it. I don't know if I'm gonna end up giving it to my daughter or keeping it for myself. It would definitely go really well with her apartment, but I also really like it for myself too. It'd be a great set of bowls for like maybe dipping sauces or even just kind of keep random things, loose earrings or whatever else, because they're not horribly huge. I haven't decided what I'm doing with this. You guys leave me a comment down below. Tell me what I should do with this. Should I keep it for myself and use it, or should I gift it to my daughter? I don't know. I chose it, and I think I chose it with both of us in mind, so I don't know what to do with this one. All right, you guys, that's it for my winter 2021 FabFitFun box. This set of nesting bowls, my blanket, a gray blanket that I already have one of. I already know that I liked it. Excited to have that. Did I really need an extra blanket? No, but at least the dog hasn't laid on this one. The $1 Billion Brows brushes. Now, $1 Billion Brows has an eyebrow kit that is fantastic, so if you happen to see that, like if you see it at a TJ Maxx or a Marshall's or a Burlington, pick it up because it's actually really good. The $1 Billion Brows brushes, I have a couple of the other brushes and I don't mind them. This actually seems to be like the right size for a work travel week. If I'm gonna take it on vacation, I probably need a few more eyeshadow brushes, to be perfectly honest. This Briochio Curl Cream, I like it. These are the only two like makeup-y type things, makeup skincare. Didn't even really get any skincare. The tea I'm giving to my son. I don't know who to give, I don't know what to do with this beanie. It's Michael Kors, right? So, I mean, it's got a $48 MSRP sticker on it, but I don't know that I'm really a beanie kind of wearer. I have beanies and I don't wear them. That's Michael Kors. I don't know. I think I might have to get this on. Maybe I'll give this to my daughter. Maybe this will be a good one for her because she likes gray too. That's it for today's FabFitFun video. I did not get this in PR. I actually paid for this. It's fun. It's fun to get a package. I think some of these subscriptions like the BoxyCharm, I keep for the add-ons and the drops and all that kind of stuff. I really like choosing my own stuff, and I think FabFitFun has improved a little bit in the sense that you get to choose more of what you want. That doesn't give me a chance to try brands that I don't know already. Maybe I need to try more brands. I don't know. I'm not going to go through with you everything in the catalog. I do feel like it's a pretty good value. Sometimes I feel like it's just stuff. So a video like today, I start to wonder, do I even need to keep it going? Because I have a ton of hair products. I have a ton of brushes. I don't need these bowls. I don't need that hat. Don't need the blanket. The tea was for my son anyway, because it was one of the choices when I saw it there. So this to me is kind of a dud box, frankly. I mean, I don't hate anything that's in here, but there isn't any one thing in here that I'm like, oh, I'm so excited. I like the blanket. I like the bowls. I like the hair care. I like the fact that I got some interesting tea for my son. But now I'm wondering, do I really need to keep this going? You guys, leave me a comment down below. Should I cancel FabFitFun and just sort of skip it for 2022, or should I keep it going? You tell me. Tell me what you think. Do you like the subscription unboxing videos? Am I wasting my time here? I know that I'm not always timely when I'm getting these videos recorded and edited. I will try to do better next year. I kind of think maybe I'm just going to keep boxy and get excited about the add-ons because I love makeup and I have home stuff. This is a couple times now I've questioned whether or not I should keep FabFitFun, and I'm back to thinking about it again. So you guys, tell me. I need some girlfriend advice. Tell me, should I cancel it? Should I keep it? Are you guys interested? What do you think? All right, you guys. I hope you are doing really well. If you're not already, please hit the subscribe button, and I will see you on my next video. Bye for now.